meetings and actually connecting with your clients? Imagine if you had an assistant that took flawless notes, tracked action items, and even made past conversations searchable, all automatically. That's exactly what Fathom does. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 ways you can use Fathom to make meetings more productive. Client meetings are an important part of your business. Before Fathom, Before Fathom, my client process consisted of calls, transcribing a call with a separate tool, sending an email with an action items, and moving the recording to the client's folder. With Fathom, the recording, a summary, and action items is sent to the client immediately, which brings me to the first way or tip that you can use Fathom: automated meeting summaries and action item tracking. Fathom will automatically generate concise summaries of your client or team meetings, highlighting key points and action items. Therefore, there's no need for you to take notes. As you can see here, the summary, the transcript, you can even ask Fathom questions about the transcript. The next tip for using Fathom is easy searchable meeting history. Fathom has searchable transcripts that allow you to quickly pull up past discussions by keyword or topic. No need to rewatch the entire recording. So if we're looking for something in a conversation that I had with Mary, I would look for the term, look for Mary, and search it here, and it'll take me straight to that. The next tip is streamlining onboarding and client check-ins. Fathom to Fathom can record and summarize onboarding sessions and routine check-ins with clients. This way you capture all the important information from goals to project updates. Summarized onboarding sessions are helpful to clients to reinforce objectives and milestones, creating a seamless experience. Before Fathom, my check-ins look like a form that I sent out in between the meeting, a couple of days before the meeting, for the client to fill out and send back to me before the meeting. And I reviewed it. This way, this can be automated inside of from the last call to the next call. You can have it automated. If you'd like to see a deeper dive into how you can use Fathom in your business, comment below. Fathom's automation capability makes it a great tool for simplifying daily tasks, helping you to stay focused without bogging down or getting stuck in admin tasks.